Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the WordPress onto your Windows operating system and also create your first website using WordPress. So the first thing is you just need to download the XAMPP onto your system. So for that, just go to your favorite browser and search for download XAMPP and just go into this first link from apache-friends.org, and you just need to download the latest version. So at the time of recording this video, so 8.2.12 is the latest version. So I will just download this. So this will automatically start downloading this executable file for installing the XAMPP onto our system.
One eternity later.
So once this XAMPP file is downloaded, let me just go into the folder, and now if I just right click and run as administrator, so this will open the installer. So this is giving some warnings. Just simply click on OK and just press on next. So just keep everything as default and just press on next. So this will start installing the XAMPP onto our system. Let me just click on allow. So here you can see, so the setup has been successful. So let me just simply click on finish. So this will automatically start the control panel here, or you can just simply go into the start menu here and search for XAMPP control panel. So this will also start the same control panel. And now if I just click on start, so this will start the Apache server, and just click on start. So this will also start the MySqL server. So just simply click on start. So now to check, let me again go to the browser, and now if I just type localhost, so just type localhost and click enter. So if you are getting this kind of interface, then the XAMPP is successfully installed and the Apache and MySQL server are running properly. So now if I just click onto this phpMyAdmin, so from here, so now we can create the database as well. So if you just click on new here and just give the database name something like WordPress and click on create, so this will create the database with the name WordPress. So now similarly, now we will set up the WordPress onto our system. So for that, just go into the new tab and just search for download WordPress and just go into this first link from wordpress.org. So just click on here, and if you just scroll down, so you will be able to see this option for downloading the WordPress. So just simply click on download WordPress. So this will download this WordPress zip file. So once this zip file is downloaded, let me just go into the folder and let me just simply right click and click on extract all, and let me just extract it here. So once this is extracted, so let me just simply copy this WordPress folder. So let me just simply copy this and just go into the local disk C. So here you will be able to find this XAMPP folder once you install the XAMPP. So just go inside the XAMPP. So here you will be able to find this folder called htdocs. So just go inside there. So here we just need to simply paste that folder of WordPress which we have just copied. So once you paste that folder inside this htdocs, so let me again go to the browser, and now if I just type localhost, just type localhost / just give the name of the folder which is WordPress and just click enter. So this will now open the WordPress installer. So here you can already see the setup config.php. So let me just simply click on continue. So here you can just put the database name WordPress which we have created from this phpMyAdmin. So just give the database name WordPress, and you just need to give the username which is by default root. So just give root, and the password is blank normally. So just keep it as it is and just click on submit. So you can just simply click on run the installation. So here we just need to give the site title. You can just give something like code with Arjun, or you can just give your own name, and you just need to give the username. So just put it something like Arjun, and you just need to give the password. So let me just write something like Arjun123. So you can just use the strong password as well. For now I will just use the weak password. So just give the email. So let me just put the email address here, and let me just simply click on install WordPress. So let me just save the password here, and if I just click on login here, so you can see, so it has already detected this Arjun and my password which is Arjun123. So just simply put the username and password which we have just created. So let me just click on login. So this will now open the dashboard of the WordPress. So let me just click on OK. So now if I just click onto this appearance and theme, so by default, so it has installed this 2024 theme. So if I just go into the new tab and just type localhost / WordPress and just click enter. So you can see, so this is by default install theme. So let me just install new theme, so which looks quite beautiful. So let me just click on add new theme here, and you can just go into this popular here. So here you can see Astra and other themes as well. So let me just simply try this Astra theme. So to install the theme, so you can just simply click on install. So here you can see, so it has already been installed. So to activate this, you can just simply click on activate. And so once this is activated, so you can just click on customize here. And if you just click on publish, so this will publish the page. And if I just again go to the localhost/WordPress and just click enter, so this should have changed the theme into this Astra theme here. So now to edit this page, so you can just simply click onto this edit page here. So just click onto this edit page, and let me just close it from here. And to edit the home page, so let me just try writing something like code with Arjun, and here let me just replace this text with something like programming YouTube channel, and you can just change this into like subscribe. So now if I just click on update here, and if I just click onto this control and view page, so this will redirect us with this localhost/WordPress, and here you can see the home page has been already changed into code with Arjun and the text which I have just provided here. So this is how simple it is to make the website using WordPress and also edit using the WordPress editor. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.